Alright guys, so I'm here getting breakfast. I was looking for soy milk for some protein, and I found Silk, but look what they did to the packaging. They blurred it out. I don't want regular milk. I just don't. They have these like bigger packages. They don't have the like individualized with soy milk, so that's a bummer. Alright guys, so I found the Odwalla Super Smooth Protein Blend. But notice that certain words are blended out. That's crazy. It's just like with the Silk soy milk, it's blended out. Yeah, so I also have my bananas as always. Part of it is bananas are less messy than oranges. I'd rather eat oranges, but just my hands would get all sticky from that. Whereas banana, if I get it on my hand, I just wipe it off my pants or something. Speaking of pants, I found that I have another pair in my bag. And on top of my shirt that I'm wearing today, which I will reveal in a second, I also have my Double Dare shirt still, which means I don't have to do laundry for 2 more days. That's fantastic, because then when I do laundry, which I have to pay people to do it, that sucks. I won't have to do it again until I get to Australia, which is good, because I don't want to be paying somebody to be doing my laundry twice while I'm here. So I'll have enough to get me through until Australia, which is fantastic news. Alright. My shirt today is my PGP, Pretty Good Podcast shirt. So I'm a PGP. What's brilliant is that by calling myself a PB, I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone, because I'm also a PvP, prank versus prank. Challenge? That's right, I think I'm having top dog today. Challenge accepted. See that? You're out of pickles. What kind of hot dogs has no pickles? I bought a chili dog and ultimate dog. And apparently the chili dog is a bratwurst as opposed to a normal hot dog. That just blows my mind away. I think I know my thing in life is to travel somewhere that's not American and try their version of food that is really popular back home. See, what did I say? Subway. Anyway, that was easily the worst experience I've ever had eating hot dogs in my life. Let me preface this by saying that in Hong Kong there's no such thing as napkins. You have to bring your own tissue for everything. Think of how messy Sloppy Joes get and then put it in that hot dog. Because I had it everywhere. I had it on my face, it's on my hands, and no napkins anywhere. So at some point I just gave up on that, and yeah, I had to start using the back of my hand, my arm. It's washed off now, but even got a little bit on my shirt somewhere along around here, and my pants. There you go. Yeah, these pants are thrashed with mustard stains. Terrible, terrible, terrible. But yeah, the hot dogs themselves weren't so bad. I mean, I had to give up because it was so messy, and I just knew finishing them I would not be able to return. I was a complete mess. Which is why they offer you forks. You're supposed to eat them with those forks, I think. Okay guys, we're in the mall now. We can split up, you can go on your own. But let's meet back here in front of that entrance in an hour, okay? It's a popcorn store, and they have cheese and they have caramel, and the caramel is really good. So is the cheese. Might go get some before I leave today. Chinese shopping cart, basket on wheels. I like them apples. Those are some apples right there. A tennis racket head. A bucket hair. Alright guys, everybody back? Yeah? Everybody's here? Okay, time to take the ferry and go back to the hostel. You can spot Europeans almost anywhere. So not American. Guys, just selling sex toys on the street.